Hey guys, what's up? I hope you're having a fantastic day. If you're new here, I'm Parrish and I just filmed this complete look. So if you like it, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's get started off with these bad boys. I'm going to start this one off with foundation only. So I've already applied my foundation and I'm going to go ahead and show you how I tame these bad boys. And then your tail should be even with your end of your eye here. The middle should be at your arch, and the end should be right here at the inner tear of your eye. And then I'm going to brush them down. And the little spots that are just kind of lighter, I'm going to fill them in.
We could sell out. Can you hold me down for one night like I got 3 strikes? I need you to free me. It's a prison inside my mind. Break me, taste me, pull me up like the northern lights. Can you hold me down for one night like I got 3 strikes? Call me, call me, call me, call me, call me.
And if it looks boxy right here, don't worry about it. We're going to fix it later. Go ahead and take concealer and use it as a cleanup.
This is the face I wear, tried in the riptide. Abysmal lotions wear good, girls cover tight. I wanna love somebody, wanna feel the love on the low, but after everything I still believe in true love. I've been able to fight it down, it tears me up. And I know it's my fault, I know it's my fault. Let's take a trip 10,000 miles, but a crowd. We can stay up there until we figure it out. I wanna go home, don't wanna be alone, be alone. I got some damn bad intentions, I got some damn bad intentions. I got some secrets I'm about to mention, haven't learned my lesson. Whoa, I got some damn bad intentions. I see the world 25 dimensions. I've seen evil right.
The trick really is to getting the concealer to shape out whatever brow shape you would like, and then to blend your concealer into your foundation before you put on powder.
You hate the fighting in the world, so you bring the battle home and you fight until it's yours. Fight until I'm gone. There's holes on the walls, written in the sand, deception on
natural fade.
I know we made a graveyard of this song. I know I don't feel
Shape the
too
bad boys out with some concealer. You're going to want to set them with powder. Not the actual brow, but just where you put the concealer so you don't look like a crazy head.
I got some secrets I forgot to mention. Never learned my lesson. I got some damn bad intentions. I got some damn bad intentions. I got some secrets I forgot to mention. Never learned my lesson.
Counting on your wishes. Nigga on these dead night like you on a mission. How you wanna get it? Cause I've been on a vibe all night if you wanna feel it. Eat that, want some, get right, get low. Want that, I need that, try that. Can I keep that all night? Put it in your face. Take it all, don't let it go to waste. No, you wouldn't want it any other way. I know, yeah.
Don't I get you anything you want? Say Gucci, Prada, even Saint Laurent. I kept it 100 from the jump. Say, lost me, I think you lost me. Say, better used to get me for the low. Say, Cuddy need 100 for a show. Why you always gotta do the most? Lost me, I think you lost me. You can find me in my office, I'm on some balls.
Not swiping motions, just packing motions.
I don't like the lights, I prefer the darkness. And my bitch stand up, but she ain't ugly. Meet me in the morning, I'm like a coffin. Looking at me like I'm Ryan Gosling. Cause me, I'm about that action, fuck talking. Cause she know that I got it like that. She know that I run it out here. She knows. Yeah, I've been making plays out here. EA, it's in the game like that. Don't I get you anything you want? Say Gucci, Prada, even Saint Laurent. I kept it 100 from the jump. Hey, lost me, I think you lost me. Say, better used to get me for the low. Say, Cuddy need 100 for a show. Why you always gotta do the most? Lost me, I think you lost me. Say, Boston, I think I'm Boston. I'm no longer fed up, I think you lost me. Feeling saucy, I'm feeling saucy. Tell you all my time, you won't get that often.
You don't really want problems with me now. Around and bounce back like a rebound. And now you look basic. That new that you with is outdated. You know, sometimes I get too lit. I cannot blame it. I don't need saving. Don't you know I give you everything that I have?
Don't I get you anything you want? Say, Gucci, Prada, even Saint Laurent. I kept it 100 from the jump. Hey, lost me, I think you lost me. Say, better used to get me for the low. Say, Cuddy need 100 for a show. Why you always gotta do the most? Lost me, I think you lost me.
Painting you a picture of the feelings that you never did. Do you hear the voices in my head calling for something to know? Slow down, love, it's too bright out there, out there. Hold on, love, you're walking thin air, thin air.
So I'm gonna look crazy for a couple of minutes, but I'm going to take this black color and line my lower lashes.
Now if you know you're in or out, oh I put too much behind it. Now if there's something I left out, oh I'm in my head, come and find me. Now if you know you're in or out, oh I put too much behind it.
that's about it. Thank you so much for watching. I always have a great time with you, and I hope to see you next time in another video.